Hey, Scott here from PPC Ad Lab, and in this video, I'm going to take you through the image templates. I want to take you through how you can create your own image templates as well as the specific sections within it. So once you've logged into PPC Ad Lab, on the left-hand side, you just select image templates. Within here, you'll see the pre-existing templates that we have created. You can click edit and use these if you want to. If you want to create your own, you just come across this right-hand side and click create new. You give your template a name. And we recommend that you keep it by 120 by 120. This will then create your canvas that you can start to use moving forward. So let me take you through some of the buttons. The first on the right hand side is a background. Now you can upload a background and this will fit to the shape of your canvas. It will not be able to be moved. So example here, if I go a background, go to one of my pictures and upload a picture, you'll see that it will stick into the background and I'm not able to move it. This will turn as a background. I'm able to add things on top of this, but I'm not able to move this at all. If you don't want this in, you can just remove it by clicking back or the delete function. On the left-hand side is your custom bar. In here, we've got a range of tools that you can use. So the first one is shapes. We've got 3 different types of arrow. We've also got 2 types of star. We've got a polygon, a location indicator, a heart, and a bubble. All of these can be changed on the right hand side. So all of these have these same functions. So the first is you can change the color. You can make it no fill. If you do decide to make it no fill, obviously you need to change the background to the signs, so you can do the lines and then have a line. You can also change the thickness of this line using this button on the right hand side. Continuing with the navigation on the left, we've also got these flip. So this allows us to flip any of these images by X or Y. We've also got our shapes here, where we've got a rectangle, we've got a circle, and we've got a triangle. And again, these have the same options. You can fill, you can change the stroke, you can change the color, and you can change the size of the lines. We do also have a free draw and a straight line option. So with the free draw, you can free draw as you please. And with the straight line, you can straight line. Again, you can change the color of these as well as the thickness of the lines as well. Continuing on the left-hand side, we've also got the text function. So this allows you to include text. So all you need to do is click the text and then type away. From here, you can also change the color of your text. You can change bold, italic, and underlined. You can also change to a different font if you choose. On the right-hand side, you can also change the size of this text to fit with what you need. Continuing on the left-hand side, we've got 3 really powerful buttons here. The first is the opportunity to upload images that aren't as a background. So if you want to upload an image that doesn't show as a background, you can select it here. You come into your images. It's a very small one. And you can upload your images. Let me upload another one that's better. You can upload your images. Continue on the left-hand side, we have buttons here that allow us to add our custom values. The first is our general custom values that we've had for ages within our emails. So this is pulled from the data that you gather and is pulled from the job. So it's the things such as name, company URL, job name, competitors, number of competitors, your rank. So it's all of those things that we include in our emails already. We can add into our email, we can add into our images to personalize them further. As an example here, one that you've seen previously and you might have seen on other platforms, you could put a Starbucks coffee, for example, and then put a customer's name in it and it would appear in their name. And if you were to do that, you can obviously change the color, the bold, italic, and underlined. And again, you can change the font type if you choose. Changing the size as well by doing things like that. Finally, on the left-hand side, we've got the opportunity to add in images. So one of the things that you can do here, and by the way, I've just cleared objects. I've just cleared it to a blank canvas. One of the things you can do here is select the images that you can include. So this is just like the custom values that we pull out, but this time it will include an image. And I'll show you what this looks like in a quick second. Now, the team are creating a training program, or a help desk that will show an image of each of these and what they look like. But if you are looking to just have a quick look, I'll show you how you do it. So basically, we've got our advertiser top chart, we've got top scene ad copy with headline, top scene competitor ad copy with headline. You've then got top ad block versus top ad company, and top headlines. So say we just do top advertiser chart, which everybody is very familiar with because it's in our data. You could put your advertiser chart in here, for example, such as we could then add a rectangle, to fit that in. We could then fill that if we wanted to. We could add some quick text. We could upload an image. Just like that. What I can then do is I can then choose to save this. And this will save as one of the templates within our area. So if you go to the save section, you'll see your saved templates and created personalized images. Now, to add that to an email, we do have a separate video on this, but if I just show you really quickly, you just come into your email section, click add new. You then choose the custom image template that you want to add in. So we go to our save section. We choose the image that we've just added. So that's it in there. I would obviously add my text in, etc. But I can just preview this. And I've got a nice preview of what my image would look like. I've got my name, I've got Hey Rob. I've then got my personalized image in here. And then along here, I've got my my picture. And this is how it would look. If you want to test this, you can also send a test. If we can do save and send, and this will send to your inbox, and you'll see how it looks like in your inbox. As always, any questions, just hit up our live chat. Thanks for now.